What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Dad Banter YouTube channel. As always, I'm Chris and this is my van. We're getting into another winter camping adventure. We're headed up to the local mountains of Southern California. Last night was supposed to be the lightest snowfall over the next 3 days. I'm right near the Los Angeles area, and it looks like somewhere that actually has winter as a season. It's gonna be a great storm, super rare for California. Let's go get buried. Got out real quick and came around the corner, and now we're kind of stuck here. I don't know what's happening. Maybe somebody got stuck, but see what happens. Go around them. Turn your wheel the other way, stupid. This guy's chains are on the wrong tires. I'm going around him before he gets too stuck. Alright, go bud, come on. Come on, really? Go. Got some sun shining right now.
A winter storm warning remains in effect across the San Bernardino Mountains through tonight, and then we get upgraded to a blizzard warning from 4 a.m. Friday through 4 p.m. Saturday, which stresses the importance of the upcoming winter storm and the severe weather impacts we are anticipating. Obviously, we've already picked up around a foot or more of snow out there, and will likely be tripling those numbers through the weekend. Traveling in these conditions is highly discouraged. In fact, should only be out of necessity during the duration of the blizzard warning, as snow will continue out there heavy at times through this afternoon.
Look at that guy's roof. All right, here's our noble steed. Plow was low on oil, so went to the hydro store, got some hydraulic fluid, and we'll see if this thing works. If not, I gotta dig all this out so I can park. It works. All right, so this is after the first round of storms. Let's see what we got. Okay, it's a decent drift there. There's my car. There. Got to dig out a parking spot. Dad's working on with the plow over there. Uh-oh. Nice. All right, after about 2 hours of digging, finally set up. Got the van in its parking spot. Got all the snow cleared out. Let's take a look outside. Still nuking. We just shoveled all this. That's how they do it in the Midwest, huh?
This is just a regular snowstorm.
My dad's from Minnesota. He doesn't think this is a big deal.
This is a snowstorm.
Beer run. Little brother left his cabin. He said, "Oh, I don't know if I locked it or not." Let's go see. Look at this bullshit. Up to my knee in snow. He didn't even plow the driveway for me to come over here. All right, we got some beer. Checked on my little brother's house. Headed back to the van now. Gonna cook me some soup. Chill out for the rest of the night. Oh crap! All right. So, see, the snow's like about boot high on the brim. And there's a little spot. Door's frozen. All right, let's get to cooking. All right. Just waiting for it to get to up to temperature in here so I can start cooking. So it's 56 degrees in here and 32 degrees outside. I had a little problem starting my heater. I had to cycle it like 3 times. I think just because it's cold. But yeah. So we're out here in Big Bear. I was hanging out inside with my dad for a while. And now came out here to cook some food and sleep out this blizzard. We'll see what this turns out to be, but starting at 4 a.m. today, tomorrow, which is Friday, till Saturday, we're under a blizzard warning for the first time in San Bernardino County, which is where Big Bear is. So it should be interesting. We're gonna cook up some soup tonight. It's gonna keep me warm, and then tomorrow we're gonna do some breakfast in a blizzard. Gonna be a chill night tonight. Not really much going on except eating some soup. Had to do a lot of digging today to get the property ready. We got a lot of snow the last 24 hours, and we're forecast to get even more within the next 48 hours. So it's gonna be fun. Like I said, something easy today. Got some top ramen. I don't know what I'm ducking. Alright, got a water boiling. Looks like I cooked most of it off though. Top ramen. Turn it off. And add in our delicious seasonings. I'm going with the mix tonight. We got lime chili shrimp, and a good old-fashioned beef. And keep me nice and warm tonight. Be hydrated, and it's salty, so you know it's gonna taste good. Got quite a bit here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish 2 packs, but give it a go. I just got back from Japan, where the ramen was way better than this. I can 100% vouch. This is not top ramen. Oh, it's getting kind of steamy in here. I need to turn this up a little bit. I want to pee like a racehorse tonight. Oh, my solar panel fell. Alright, well, it's snowing. And yeah. Alright, so this is weather.gov, forecast.weather.gov, National Weather Service. Hazardous weather conditions, we got a winter storm warning until February 24th at 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Flood watch, February 24th to 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We got blizzard warning in effect from February 24th at 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time until February 25th, the next day, at 4 p.m. Alright, for the winter storm warning, heavy snow, additional snow accumulation of 2 to 4 inches below 4,000 feet and 8 to 16 inches above 4,000 feet. Sustained winds 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 45. For the blizzard warning, blizzard conditions expected, total snow accumulations above 5,000 feet is 3 to 5 feet. Between 4,000 and 5,000 feet, 1 to 3 feet is expected. Sustained winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts 50 to 60 miles an hour. Visibility in fog and heavy snow of less than 1/4 mile expected. Where San Bernardino County mountains. Well, that doesn't sound too bad. That sounds like I might be going skiing tomorrow. I busted out the powder skis for this, so we're gonna wake up bright and early, cook some breakfast, and head to the mountain. Fingers crossed that's what happens. And fingers crossed I could just get out of here. We'll see how much snow we actually get overnight. But your guess is as good as mine at this point.